Hey there, welcome to your Shopify Store Design full course. In this class, we are going to add this section, the promo featured section. Let me open my Lightshot. Okay, we are going to add these two section in our website. And in the previous class, we have added this collection slider section, also the main slider section and the header section, and today we are going to add this one. Okay, the good news is that I have already created this section that is fully dynamic and customizable and ready to use for in your Shopify online store. So these tutorials or this class will be more helpful for you if you want to create a section like this one, not only add in this project or in this course. You can also use this code snippet on any Shopify theme, because by default you will not get any picture like this one in any free Shopify theme. For example, hover section, shop now button and everything customizable. So let me show you how I have added this section and how it works. Then I'll explain a little bit about the code. Then I'll share the total guideline how to get this ready code snippet. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to my other website, Shopify online store, in where I actually first time test this picture. Then we'll go to our main website, home decor store design. Okay, so you see I have added this picture in here. Looks here. Yes. Okay, and now go back the customize section. Click on the customize, and you see I keep it at the top because I want to show you in the first time. So here is the Patari promo. We can change the name of this section like featured promo. So here is the featured promo section, and you see I have added first featured image. You can change image from here. Okay, you can select from library, explore from free image, or connect a dynamic source. Also you can remove the image from here. Then here is the title. So I'm going to change the title, for example, featured part for everyone. You see, then up to 30% we can change it into up to 50%. You see, it's changed. Also we can change the color from here. You see, this is for title. We are not going to change the title color. Change the paragraph color. So change it. You see, then going to change the title color. Change title color. Yes, looks good. Also you can change the button color. For example, background color will be white. Okay, and text color will be black. Perfect. And we can also change the font size. You see, yes, looks good. So easy and simple. Okay, then click on the save. Okay, so now we are going to the coding section to share a little bit details about the code snippet. So go back my admin panel, then click on this three dot icon, edit code, then open featured promo. Looks here. Here is the title. We are going to change it featured. Okay, save. Okay, so first we have added the layout. Make a section container, add two div, promo 1, promo 2, same div. Then add image, make this image dynamic. Then add h2, this is the h2. Then add h4, also shop now button. So here is the layout section. Then we added the style of this layout. including hover effect. And finally, we create the schema code for dynamic section. For example, we have changed the name of this section featured promo. Go back, go to the customize section. You see, it's changed featured promo. Okay, so now the big question, very important question, how to get this code snippet. As usual, I always mention that to get this code snippet, you have to go to my website e-commerce thesis. I have a service based website from where you can take the service relevant WordPress, Shopify and SEO. So when you visit this website e-commerce thesis, just search on Google e-commerce thesis, then you will find, search on Google e-commerce thesis. Here is my website. Also you can see my profile picture in here. Okay, then you have to go to contact us page or contact with Faisal. You can go to any page and send me an email, and where you can mention that you need code snippet for this video picture to add on your website. Also you can mention the video that you have watched and you connect with me. Okay, and now we are going to create the same section in our website, because we are working in this website to make it same as this one. This is the demo website and we are going to make our website like this one. So scroll down, we have done so far. Now go back, our admin panel, click on the online store. Wait a little bit time. Click on the edit code, open section folder, add a new section, featured promo.liquid, and simply copy the code snippet from here, but you will get the ready code snippet on your email when you send the email to me from my website e-commerce thesis. Okay, so for now just go to the edit code and copy the code snippet from the custom case cover store, as I have tested it on here. So copy all the code, go back, remove all existing code, then Ctrl V to paste. Click on the save, asset save. Okay, we have added the code. Now go to the customize, and add new section. Click on the add section and scroll down. Looks here. You see, we have added the featured promo in here. Then add image. So going to add image. So click on add image. Then here is the ready image. You see, we can upload 2 images in a one time, then we can use based on our requirement, because we have to use after end of this. Okay, then add another image. Perfect, looks good. Click on the save, then go to the customize section, asset save. Now go to our website, reload. Wow, you see, it's appear in here. Okay, but we have to fix the spacing. Add spacing in the top and bottom, in the right and left side. We have to set a fixed width of this section, but I hope you understand how you can add same picture on your Shopify online store, and you can make same website so far by watching this video. So thank you for your time to join this class. If you think this class is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.